of RG Kar has really shocked the nation. It has shocked the nation, and that's why we see that there is a huge uproar nationwide. Not only the protests are going on in RG Kar hospital, but over all the government colleges in West Bengal as far as in the country. In Delhi also, from AIIMS to Safdarjung hospital to other hospitals also, this movement has now spread nationwide. There are 3 to 4 aspects. This is a very, very, very heinous crime. The woman, everybody in West Bengal obviously and over India, their heads are down today because it is a case like Nirbhaya which has taken place in a government hospital in Kolkata. That name is RG Kar. Seminar hall, this lady's dead body was found, and after that there is one arrest, a person called Sanjay Roy, who is a civic volunteer. Who is a civic volunteer? Civic volunteers are those people who assist the police. He was working for the Police Welfare Board. And does that give him that audacity to enter into the hospital in the middle of the night? What the sources are telling CNN News 18 that he had huge influence inside the hospital, and that is the reason for which he went inside the hospital anytime. He had a free access everywhere. Now, from the area where this incident took place, where this brutal rape and murder took place, the police has gathered forensic and other details. There they got this earphone through which they actually arrested this person, Sanjay Roy, because the Bluetooth connection was there and the CCTV footage clearly showed him. The police has opened up an office there in RG Kar with 15 laptops. They are continuously tracking every CCTV footage. They are interrogating. Even today they have been interrogating 4 doctors, 3 junior doctors and 1 house staff. But the big question is the doctors, they are not happy. The authorities, though almost all the authorities have been removed. Who has been removed? The medical super has been removed. The principal has resigned himself, stating that there has been a lot of things coming up in social media. He can't take it. That's why he is resigned. The ACP of this area, police, he has been removed. Show cause notices have been sent to the security guards. As far as the investigation is concerned, police is now also working on this with the forensic people, that what time they, was it rape before murder or murder before rape? All these questions are there. All these questions are now, police is catering to all this, answering to all these questions, and they are working on all these questions. But at the same time, the big question comes that a rape and a murder was required now to actually have a right security system. What were the authorities doing previously? Why could not they protect the doctors? And that's why the students, they are doing this judicial inquiry demand, and also CBI inquiry. Mamata Banerjee met the victims today, and the most important point of her visit, she said that till Sunday, if the Kolkata police does not close this case, if they fail, then she will give this investigation clearly to the CBI. Now that is a big thing which has been told by Mamata Banerjee, handing over the case to CBI. That's what Mamata Banerjee has said. That's the big takeaways, and she has also said that the investigation will go on the fast track court. Now big, this is one big development which has taken place, but definitely the rage, the anger of doctors are not reducing. That is the most important thing.